Tammy here. Rick's doing his thing. And I'm just showing you that he just welded this. So I want to show you his weld job because at first he just did 4 dings, like 4, just to keep it intact and straight so he knows to weld it straight. It was just to like keep it intact till he did the full weld job. And that's the full weld job.
Should have just put on a piece of paper.
Shut up.
You're so rude. Oh my god, Tammy, you're rude.
That's his weld job.
Wait, put on a piece of paper so you can see how good it is.
It's really good, guys.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Rick. Like, come on. I'm trying to take a video, man.
Well, the white makes it pop up more, easier to see.
Men, I tell you. Anyways.
Yeah, men's are so much better. Kidding.
Yeah.
We need women's.
Okay, so what are you doing now?
Oh, I'm gonna paint it with this?
Oh, look at this, guys. Look what it does.
I'm gonna paint it with this because it has a clear coat and paint just to protect the weld.
Can you stick this on so I can show them what it is or what it does? Oh.
Don't spray it.
Oh, yes, don't spray. Look, guys, it's a spray gun thingy. I love it. Look, it's like, oh, it's pretty heavy. You go.
Don't spray it.
I'm not gonna spray it. Anyways, we're gonna do the roll cage today. Well, we gotta clean it. Is this the green?
Yeah. Well, I just gotta finish certain spot where I didn't paint it yet.
So we're gonna clean the roll cage. We might spray it. We also got to do an oil change on my Beetle. Sorry. Look, it's like a claw. Okay, guys. So we are out. Peace and Rick.
Peace and love.
Peace and love. Don't do that on camera.
Well, it's a piece.
And then, what's this? Why does it look like this?
Well, instead of like painting, that's just like a little brush. So I'm just gonna brush it. It's paint, and then it has clear coat. It's not like it's red, but no one's gonna see it. It's just to protect the weld, so it doesn't rust or anything. Because it has clear coat and paint on this, just like a brush.
Alright, and here's the weld, guys. Guys, it's clear coat. Show them. Oh, cool, eh?
It's just to put over the weld so it protects it, so it doesn't rust.
So this is our marker thingy. It comes like this in a box to fix scratches and stuff.
Well, I'm gonna paint the weld with this, and then it has clear coat on this.
This weld, right?
It's
like
actually
nail polish.
it's car paint, but I'm just gonna. That's from our other car. It's just to protect the weld, just so it doesn't rust. It's not like a color I would pick, but that's what we have here. And there you go. That's clear coat. So after I paint it, I'm gonna put clear coat on it. So it's gonna last a lot longer.
So why do we have that?
That's just to remove paint and like you can scrape off stuff.
Oh my god, it's like nail polish all in one.
Well, it's for a car.
Shit.
So, well, that's actually I see a Volkswagen paint.
It's not the right color of the car we needed though. It was so wrong.
Why isn't it?
Gotta.
Whatever. It's Volkswagen color. I think it's because the phone's moving.
The camera sucks.
The phone's moving because of the fan.
Anyways, it says Volkswagen somewhere. Whatever. Tornado red.